This coronavirus has hit everybody pretty hard. Everything pretty much came to an abrupt stop, especially with education in America. And it just hit us quick and hard, and it felt like we got hit with a ton of bricks. And what I plan to do is to use those bricks to the best of my advantage. And I'm going to continue to educate regardless of the situation, and hopefully you guys can find something useful out of these episodes. And I'm going to use these bricks in several different formats, and I'm going to present them in several different ways and show you how we can continue to use math even during these times and in these situations. And bricks provide us with a strong foundation, so let's not forget that either. Here's going to be example number one with a structure. And then we're going to take a look at three different views from this structure. So I'm going to give you like a three-dimensional standpoint view, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the structure looks like as a two-dimensional figure from the front, and then a two-dimensional figure from the right side, and a two-dimensional figure from the top. Now keep in mind as we go through these several examples that the top and the bottom will be mirror views of each other. So they're going to look the same from the top or the bottom. And this is not a glass table, so I really can't show you the bottom view right now. So just know that it's going to be the same as the top, but in reverse. Here is example number one. This is the structure that I built. Yes, I know, it's really rudimentary, but this is a 3D view of the structure. You're kind of getting a little bit of the front view, the side view, and the top view all at once. But what would this figure look like as a two-dimensional figure from the front, a two-dimensional figure from the side, and a two-dimensional figure from the top? Well, let's go take a look. I'm going to move and I'm going to show you. Now this is the front. This is the front view. And this is what it would look like as a two-dimensional figure from just this side. So you're just seeing pretty much a basic flat surface from this side of a three-dimensional figure. And then I can move around to the right side, and this would be the view as a two-dimensional figure from the right. And then our last view is going to be from the top front of it. And this is what it would look like from the top, straight from the top down. Here's example two. This is a new structure that I built. Yes, I'm getting a little better. Now, this is what it looks like as a three-dimensional structure from the corner. And again, you can kind of see a little bit of the front, the side, and the top view. Now, what would this look like as a two-dimensional from each of those three sides, or from those three angles? This is what that same structure looks like as a two-dimensional from the front, two-dimensional from the side, and a three-dimensional from the top, and specifically the top front of it. Now I'm going to kind of reverse it this time. Instead of showing you the structure from a 3D standpoint, I'm going to show you only the 2D views of the front, the right side, and the top. What I want you to do is see if you can visualize or in some way construct what I show you and build a 3D structure out of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you those three views right now. All right, now this first view is of the front. So this is a two-dimensional view of the front of this figure. This second view is the view from the right side. So this is the right side of the figure, a two-dimensional view. And this final view is from the top. All right, I'm going to leave you with this. What did the mama brick say to the crying baby brick, don't worry, everything is going to be okay.